Hi, my name is Richard Howe, Jr. I'm the Registered Deeds of the Northern District of Middlesex County. In this video, I'd like to show you how to use our website to locate and print documents. Now, the address of the website is www.lowelldeeds.com. You put that in your browser, this is what you'll first see. Now, in the center of the page, in the white part, it says Records and Research. Now, in the first section, it says Search Land Records, right where the arrow is pointing. Here's a close-up. If you click on that link, it opens a whole new window. And this gray box is the search screen. And the first type of search you can do is by name, which is the primary way we index documents at the registry. The minimum you have to put in is the last name of the person you're searching. But you can also put in the first name. You can limit the search by document types, by town, and by recorded date. Now, we recommend that when you begin your search, you put in the slightest amount of information possible, mostly just the last name and the first name. Because if you try to restrict it by document type, town, or recorded date, you might miss something that's relevant to your search. So it's much better to have a very broad search at the beginning, and if you find too many documents, then you can come back and narrow it down a little bit. So all you do is you type in the last name and the first name of the person you're interested in and press the search button. This gives you a list of all the variations of that name. I use my name, Richard Howe, and we've come back with Richard D. Howe, Richard M. Howe, Richard P. Howe, and that happens to be me, Richard P. Howe, Jr. And if you look across to the right of the screen, you can see that there are 26 documents on record that contain that name. Now, the name, it's in an olive green print, is a hyperlink. So if you click on that, that displays a list of all 26 documents that contain the name Richard P. Howe, Jr. Now, the first group are all bonds, which are part of my job here as Registered Deeds, but we're interested in seeing if I have a homestead on my property. Now, the first column is the name, the second one is the date the document was filed, the third is the book and page number where it's found, the next column is the document type, and the next one is the town. So if we zoom into the document type column, we can see that there is a homestead that was recorded on October 4th, 2001, and it's in book 12,188, page 119. So again, if we click on the name, the hyperlink, that displays more details about that document from our index. But most people will want to see the document and print it. So if you look at the lower left-hand corner of the screen, we'll zoom in there. These are the three options you have for displaying and printing the document. So I recommend the third one, download the document pages. If you click there, it opens a new window. It gives you a choice of opening the document right away on your screen or saving it somewhere on your computer. Now, if you just want to see it and print it, choose Open. And if you want to save it for future use and then open it, click Save, and then you can pick some place on your computer to save it. Now, when you click Open, it will immediately display the document. Once it's there, it's on your computer. You can save it or print it. There's no charge for doing that. Now, besides searching by name, you can also conduct a document search. That's the second tab along the top of the gray search box. If you click on that, it opens a new search screen. And that allows you to enter the book number and the page number. When you do that, you press search, it brings you back the results in a similar manner as the name search. And the third way of doing it is by address, and you click on the Property Search tab. That allows you to enter the street number, the street name, and the town. Well, that sums up in a few minutes how to find documents on our website. If you follow these directions and you still have some questions, please send me an email. And you can send that to lowelldeeds@comcast.net, which is my personal email, and I get that both at work and at home, and I'll be happy to try to answer your question.